Hey everyone, this is going to be a short video. Over the past 2 weeks, I've been headfirst into Cavalry, and honestly, my experience has been amazing. As a newbie, the first roadblock I hit was using the Auto-Animate feature on text. It wasn't behaving as I expected at all. In this video, I'm going to show you what went wrong and the simple technique I used to solve it. Let's jump right in. So here's an exact scenario. I'll be using an animation I created for an investor pitching video. Let's say I want to change my text to $10 million. So I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to pause the animation right now, adding my text here. All right, so let's zoom in. Okay, let's make this red so we know we shouldn't be going there. I'm going to add my text. $10 million. Right. So choose my color, which is Snow White, and let's increase our text. So okay, so these are text to make it bold. Brown font is Montserrat. Okay, let's adjust that. Okay, so let's see at the end of the animation, yes, our text should be here. So I'm going to reduce it. All right, let's rename the text to 10 million. Or 10 mil. 10 mil. Right. Alright, so here's the Auto-Animate text. I want it to appear here. So I bring the playhead back to where the text is to start from. I add the Auto-Animate feature, and you would think the animation will start here, but it doesn't. The text is just completely static. It drove me crazy at first, and here's why it happens. By default, when you apply Auto-Animate, Cavalry drops the animation keyframes at the beginning of your timeline at 0 seconds instead of where your text starts from, or instead of where your text actually begins. So the fix is incredibly simple. You just scroll back to the beginning of your timeline, grab those row keyframes and drag them over to match the endpoint of your text layer. When we play it back, boom, perfect animation, exactly where we want it. But here's the issue, this is not how I want the animation to display on this project. Let's do a bit of animation with the Auto-Animate feature. So let's fix it right here and right now. So while my Auto-Animate is selected, I would use this to change the direction of where I want animation to come from. So I'm going to change this to 270 to ensure it's a straight line. Yes, I'm going to reduce the distance a bit so it doesn't go way too off with the curved rectangle, right? So, and if you notice, the animation comes a bit late. So that is my fault because of where I placed the text. So I'll bring it a bit forward, and when we play, yeah, it pops up like this. And we could tell I'll need to increase the size of this text a bit. Okay, I think this is fine. So if you notice, the animation affects only the letters, and that's due to the custom level, and we'll just change that to words, right? So when we do this, now this is how it happens. And if you notice, you could tell it's a bit late, so let's adjust the time in which the animation completes. So you go to timing, and right here we could bring it here and adjust the time to, let's say, 5. Yes, let's say 5. So when you click on it, voila, it just comes out as a professional would want it to. So if you haven't tried out Cavalry, I think you should. It's an amazing motion graphics tool. It lets you animate fast and easy. You are definitely going to enjoy it. If this saved you some frustration in Cavalry, click the like button and subscribe for more quick animation fixes. See you on the next one.